Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So today Richard and Martin, or rather Martin and with the help of Richard, have been working on this very high Hymer. This is a 2024 Mercedes Sprinter S907 that is incredibly jacked up. So we've seen a few of these models now coming in through with this all-terrain rugged look and feel. To be honest, I feel like a step ladder that you need to get up into the cab. And I'm nearly 6 foot by an inch, so therefore it's actually quite high. Anyway, digressing somewhat. The boys have been fitting the Alpine dedicated door speakers and also the really nice dash mounted tweeters, and we have also fitted stages 1, 2 and 3 sound deadening. So in here we've got sound deadening. On the back of the actual plastic door card where the speaker is mounted, we've got sound deadening, and on the back of that we've then got sound absorber fitted already all over the whole of that door speaker or that plastic door card as well. And that just means that any road noise, resonations, vibrations are all soaked up by the 3 layers of sound deadening and noise absorber treatment. Also then, Richard has been busy this afternoon helping out Martin by fitting the really popular Alpine PWE-S8. It's the 8-inch active subwoofer, and it's one of the only subs, well, it's the only sub that we use when we're not fitting the bigger carpeted versions. But the reason for it is because these campers or these motorhomes are coming in really packed out with kit under their seat. We've got another 2 booked in with exactly the same specification, and during the video you'll see what the boys have been doing and how. Now, in terms of getting into the vehicle, I will jump on in so Sammy can just get a good look of the tweeters. The factory tweeter grille covers, which are flat and face the windscreen, have been removed and replaced with the really nice mounted, sort of surface mounted tweeters that then project the sound, the audio, the vocals to you as the driver and the passenger. The 6.5-inch speakers in the doors have then had sound deadening applied around them, and then that suddenly creates that clarity that you're lacking before with the factory sound system. Under the passenger seat, Richard's done the 8-inch active subwoofer with some brackets to make it sit just above all of the electronics going on underneath here, and then that's been wired into the main vehicle battery. And on the side here is a little subwoofer volume control knob, and the reason why that's there is so that you can adjust the level of the bass simply with a little minus and a plus. So if you get in with a bit of a headache, or you've got a song that's particularly bassy or boomy, you can just wind that down a tickle. So this is a 2024 Mercedes Hymer. It's on a Mercedes Sprinter with the standard driver and passenger vehicle doors, whereas a lot of the Mercedes coach built vehicles don't have this. They have a habitation door on the left, nothing on the right hand side. So you can't have these speakers if you don't have the 2 doors as you can see here. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want extensive sound upgrades from sound deadening, noise absorber, speakers, tweeters and subwoofer, then do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. Make sure you watch all of our other videos, subscribe to our social media stuff and newsletter, and thank you for watching.